Today we are going to be learning about Ohm's law and finding the current of a circuit using Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the voltage in a circuit is equal to the current of that circuit multiplied by the resistance. We can use this equation using the resistance of a circuit and the voltage of that circuit to find the current. In this circuit we have a 5-volt power supply, which would be something like a battery or wall outlet, and a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Using Ohm's law, we can calculate that the current in this circuit is 0.5 milliamps because 5 volts divided by 10 kilo ohms is equal to 0.5. This next circuit is very similar to the one that we just looked at, except the resistance is now 10 times as much as it was previously. This makes the current 10 times less than it was before, so it is now 0.05 milliamps. This is because that the I and R are on the same side of the equation. Therefore, when the resistance in a circuit increases, the current decreases. In this circuit, we have two resistors in series with each other. To calculate the current in this circuit, we have to find out what the total resistance value is. To do this, we simply add the two resistors because they are in series with one another. And then we take that resistor value and use Ohm's law to solve for the current. So when you add 10 kilo ohms and 5 kilo ohms, you get a value of 15 kilo ohms. You then take that value and then divide the voltage by it. So 5 volts divided by 15 kilo ohms is equal to 0.33 milliamps. In this last circuit, we have the same two resistors, but now in parallel. To find out what the total resistance will be for this circuit, we use this formula right here, which is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, all of that over 1. This, however, can be simplified down to R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. When you apply this formula to the resistors, you find that the total resistance when they're in parallel is 3.3 kilo ohms, which makes the current 1.5 milliamps. Because these resistors are in parallel and have one branch, the current will be divided among them. 1 milliamp of the current will go to the 5 kilo ohm resistor, while 0.5 milliamps of the current will go to the 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is because current tends to take the path of least resistance, so 1 milliamp will go to the 5 kilo ohm, or 0.5 milliamps will go to the 10 kilo ohm. So as you see, the current will be divided proportionally between the two.